Now let's learn how to install Power BI into our computer. The easiest way is just to type Power BI in our browser and Google search it. We'll get the Power BI homepage, which is powerbi.microsoft.com. Under this, we'll have introductory information that gives you more information about the software, and you can see what it can do. On this page, let us click on products. You'll notice that we have several products by Microsoft Power BI. We have Power BI Desktop. This is the software we intend to download. We also have Power BI Pro. We have Power BI Premium. We have Power BI Mobile, Power BI Embedded, and Power BI Report Server. We are interested in Power BI Desktop. Let's click on that. And here we can download it, the software, for free. Let's click, and we'll be redirected into Microsoft Store. Note that under Microsoft Store, we can download this software for free and to our computer. In my case, I already downloaded the software. That's why I'm getting the open button. When you visit this software for the first time, you'll have an option to download it directly from the Microsoft Store. Let's go back here and see other options to download, or language options, and click on that. Under this, we have an option to download the English version or the other languages, depending on the user. Under this, we can click on download. Notice that you are getting different options for our computer. In my case, I'll work with these. If you're using Mac or Linux, make sure you have downloaded the appropriate software in this case, and click on download. Normally, the software will take a while to download because it's a bulk one. And when you're done, click on install. Click on the downloaded file to install the software, and follow the installation guide, that is the installation wizard. On installing the software, you can search it into your computer to make sure, to verify that the software was downloaded. In my case, it was downloaded, and click on it to open. Alternatively, you can download this. You can open the software from Microsoft Store and hit on the open button.